Param Shanti. Today we will answer the question, what is destiny? In the beginning of this solar system, Brahma created 7 high-quality souls called the Saptarishi. Then, those 7 souls went ahead and created many souls. So technically, the destiny of a soul started when it was created. When a soul is first created, it is in its highest stage of purity. As a soul procreates more souls and continues to make affirmations, over the time the power in that soul decreases and gets wasted. This is how the creation multiplies and more souls are created with the progress of time of a Brahmand. As the time of a solar system progresses, the souls gradually lose their power through procreation of souls. The 3 elemental demigods degenerated to take birth as 5 elemental humans in physical world, which is why the earth was created for them by Brahma. In physical world, humans are entangled in various types of karmic bondages due to arise of multiple desires, so souls are subjected to numerous cycles of life and death on earth. Due to loss of power of souls over a period of time, numerous layers of dimensions of creations were also formed, including the 7 lower dimensions of creations called as Patal Lok below the earth. Souls that lost even more power started to take birth in the 84 lakh forms of life in these different dimensions of creations. Destiny starts the moment the soul is created. As the soul starts to think, it creates karmic bondages and loses its free will. If the soul does good karma, it will receive a good destiny, and if it does a bad karma, it will receive a bad destiny. A soul has power to create its own destiny through good karma, which can be started today itself, and the soul can continue to do good karma throughout its life so that the soul can enjoy a good destiny in its next birth. The soul has to decide what kind of destiny it wants to create for itself in future, like in which dimension of creation the soul wants to stay in and what life forms it wants to take birth in next birth. Accordingly, the soul has to use its free will to do good karma in present life. In the past and in recent times, one is taught to do good deeds like charity so that they receive a good destiny in their next life. However, doing this and thinking like this will eventually bring you back into another birth to bear the fruits of these good deeds. If soul aims to go beyond all karmic bondages and reach the supreme abode of higher dimensions of creations, and get liberated from the cycles of birth and death, then soul must do selfless actions without any desire. According to the Bhagavad Gita, one should do good deeds in the remembrance of the Almighty Authority who resides in the highest supreme abode of the infinite celestial degree of creations. If one does all good deeds in the remembrance of Almighty Authority, it will destroy all worldly attachments and soul will not commit any sins. This type of selfless service to the creation by a soul will earn a destiny of highest level known as Behad Ki Prarabdh in the end, and it will take a soul to the highest supreme abode of Almighty Authority. One should do its karma thinking of it as a duty while being in connection with the Almighty Authority and leading a normal family life at the same time. A soul should live a life of complete detachment to worldly pleasures, and the soul should realize that any trace of desire is ignorance. One should carry out all actions considering as a part of duty without any expectations in return. This will result in earning ultimate divine destiny for a soul, which will take a soul to the ultimate supreme abode of Almighty Authority. If one realizes pure soul consciousness, then the soul will receive supreme divine light from the highest supreme abode of Almighty Authority in formless state known as Nirakari. This power of supreme light of infinite celestial degree will transform the soul from complete impure ignorant state of darkness to a state of ultimate divinity of pure light form. One should always be aware of its soul conscious state and set a goal of reaching the highest destiny of attaining the supreme abode of Almighty Authority. Accordingly, soul should put effort to achieve its goal. Such souls having aim of reaching highest order in spiritual realm must spread the vibration of supreme peace for the transformation of whole creation. One can do this while doing their normal daily tasks, so that vibration of supreme peace touches everyone in their house and spreads in all four directions throughout all of the atmosphere. The Mahamantra Behad ke Behad ki Param 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 Mahashanti hai should be chanted and also to be visualized mentally simultaneously. This knowledge is also to be disseminated to everyone so that every soul can feel the vibration of Param Shanti and also spread the vibration of supreme peace. Giving away supreme knowledge is the charity of highest order in spiritual realm. One should create the ultimate and infinite destiny for oneself by mastering the supreme knowledge of the infinite world of creations and realizing its vastness, which will broaden the wisdom of soul. In summary, high-quality souls eventually create their own destiny through their thoughts and actions. The notion that God creates one's destiny is not true, as He has given all souls free will to create their own destiny. Param Shanti.